So we are starting a lock journey. This may be a surprise for some and not so much of a surprise for others. This will be my second set of locks in this lifetime. My last set of locks I had from the ages of 3 to 10 years old, and then I combed them out. So like I said, this will be my second set. I am kind of glad that I pivoted my channel from doing natural hair content a couple months ago, because this probably would have been a major shock to the majority of my subscribers. And I'm just so glad that we have already made a shift and I don't have to worry about what is going on with my hair and losing supporters. Well, are they really supporters? But yeah, so I'm starting locks, and the main reason why I am starting locks again is because of time. Time. I just do not have the time to be doing my hair. Or, you know what? I do have the time, but I don't want to spend my time doing my hair. And you might say, well, Christian, why don't you just go to the salon? If I had salon money, I'd probably do that. But that's not where my budget is in life right now. So I'm going to lock my hair so I don't have to deal with it as frequently. And because I don't have to deal with it as frequently, I will have more time to do other things. Another reason why I am locking up is because I honestly do not enjoy doing my hair. One Saturday morning, and Saturdays are my wash day, I came to the realization that I don't enjoy doing my hair. And I kind of feel like if you don't enjoy doing something, why do it? So I contemplated, do I want a big chop again? But I don't know if I want a big chop again, because if I big chop, I won't have the convenience of being able to put my hair in a ponytail. And I'll have to maintain my cut by myself because, like I said, we're not in a salon budget mindset right now. So I thought, why not get locks? And if I start them January 1st, by the time my birthday comes around, hopefully I'll have a little bit of hang time. They'll be touching my shoulders at least. So this is the journey that I have chosen to go on, and I decided to document this process for not only myself, but to share with you all. So I definitely hope that you guys enjoy the visuals. I included a couple clips of me shampooing my hair, which I did 3 times because I wanted to make sure that my scalp was extremely clean, because I probably won't be washing it for 2 to 3 weeks. So I washed my hair 3 times, and I made sure to really get into my scalp and get any product buildup out of there. As well as shampooing my hair, I also trimmed my hair. You could probably see during the washing process, but right when I get to my ends, it starts to get really hard to manage. So I've been needing a trim. I had a scheduled salon visit to get a trim, and I just decided to go ahead and give myself a trim before I installed the locks. So I ended up cutting off about 1 to 2 inches all around, and my ends felt so great after that. So like I said, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and now I feel like I can focus on the content that I really want to do, because I don't have to worry about, oh, does my hair look the way I want it to look? It's just, this is what my hair looks like, take it or leave it. And we're gonna have more content coming soon relating to business, personal growth, and all things related. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit, want me home. I get you what you want, but you want me alone. Baby, I'm acting. You held me up when I was down and out, but I don't want you waiting around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. I don't want you waiting too long. She hold me down like gravity.
We on the front page of them blogs. Would you be mad at me if the whole world knew this we was on? Would be tragedy. My niggas be globe trotting like travel teams. You always in my travel dreams. Lace up 2, 3 stripes and I'm gone, but you just want me home. Shorty hit my jack like, what the f you doing? Bitch, I'm on and on. You gon' press me now? You gon' stress me out and cuss me out? I had my fair share of women feelings, don't catch me now.
I'm on, don't act like I'm average, but you want me home. I get you what you want, superstar status, but you want me alone. You held me up when I was down and out, but I don't want you waiting around for me. I don't want you waiting too long. It's not that I'm over you, not over girl, but I got things to do. It's too much to be your boyfriend, too much, and you ain't making this much easier.